make some fruit smoothies. So, the ingredients you will need today, los ingredientes que van a ocupar hoy es fruta congelada, un plátano, vasos para medir, espinacas, jugo o leche y una licuadora. The ingredients you will need today are some frozen fruits, a banana, orange juice, some measuring cups, and some spinach, and a blender. Alrighty? So, we are going to get started. The first thing I'm going to ask is that you get your measuring cups. Lo primero que voy a pedir es que agarren sus tazas de medir. And we are going to measure 1 cup of orange juice. Vamos a medir una taza de jugo de naranja. Ya puede ser jugo de naranja, puede ser leche, puede ser agua si quieren, o jugo de manzana, jugo de piña, lo que tengan. We are going to measure 1 cup of orange juice, or if you prefer milk or coconut milk or almond milk or water, you can use that as well. Okay, I'm pouring my orange juice. Ya medí mi jugo y lo voy a meter aquí. I'm gonna put it in here. Perfect. Ahora vamos a medir una taza de espinacas. I'm gonna measure a cup of spinach. Now, my spinach is frozen, and you can honestly freeze any fruit or your vegetables if you need to. I also have a pack of blueberries that I froze earlier this week because I wasn't eating them. So I froze them so that I can use it for more smoothies later. Pueden congelar cualquier vegetales que tengan o fruta. Congelé lo mío porque no me lo estaba comiendo y no quería que se desperdiciara. Solo congelé. Vamos a medir una taza de espinacas. All right, 1 cup of spinach. And I know you might say, ew, spinach, but honestly, you cannot even taste it in the fruit smoothie, and it's really good for you. Yo sé que tal vez no les gustan las espinacas, pero cuando lo baten con la fruta, ni siquiera pueden probarlo ni saber que está ahí. All right, so 1 cup, okay, una taza. Y ahora vamos a medir nuestra fruta. Now we're going to measure our fruit. Now you can use whatever fruit you have at home. You can freeze whatever fruit you have at home. Some options that I have is this fruit mix that I bought. You can also freeze pineapple. And again, you can freeze blueberries if you want, or you can even freeze bananas, strawberries, whatever your favorite fruit is, you can freeze it, okay? Pueden congelar y usar cualquier fruta que quieran. Pueden usar fresas, mango, piña, plátano, lo que les guste, duraznos, y lo pueden congelar y usarlo después para hacer más batidos. All right, I have my half cup of fruit. This mix here has strawberries, mango, and pineapple, so I'm really excited to try it. Esta mezcla de fruta que tengo ahorita son fresas, mango y piña. Entonces estoy muy emocionada de probarlo. And then we're gonna add our banana. Okay, vamos a agregarle nuestro plátano. Alrighty. And I put my banana in the fridge too, so it could be nice and cold. Okay, también metí mi plátano al refri para que estuviera frío. Alright, now we have all our ingredients. Tenemos todos nuestros ingredientes. Tenemos nuestro jugo, nuestras espinacas, nuestra fruta y nuestro plátano. All right, we have our orange juice, our spinach, our frozen fruit, and our banana. Ahora lo voy a tapar. Now I'm gonna cover it up, and we're gonna blend it. And you can count how many seconds it takes to blend. Pueden contar cuántos segundos toma para batir este batido. All right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. ya está batido. Y ahora lo voy a abrir. Cuando lo abran o destapen su licuadora, tengan mucho cuidado, okay? When you open your blender, just make sure that you are very careful, so that, because when you open it, there's some juice that's still dripping, so it can get a little messy. Okay, y voy a tomar mi vaso. I'm going to take my cup now, and I'm just going to pour it in. Wow, look at that. It's very nice and thick. That means that the fruit made it super frozen and thick, just how I like it. And we have our fruit smoothie here. Let's try it. Tenemos nuestro licuado, nuestro batido. Está sabrosísimo, delicioso. Por favor, pongan su foto del batido que hicieron en casa. Please add your picture in the comments of the fruit smoothie that you made at home. And what fruit did you decide to use? ¿Y cuál fruta decidieron usar ustedes? We'll see you next time. Bye. Espero que hayan disfrutado esto. Los vemos la próxima vez.